In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unfreeze credit on TransUnion. First, visit the TransUnion Freeze Center. Go to the TransUnion website at transunion.com credit freeze. Then log into your account. If you have an account, log in. Then select Unfreeze option. Navigate to the option to unfreeze your credit. You can choose to lift, to freeze temporarily for a specified time period or permanently. Then enter your PIN. Provide the PIN or password you received when you initially froze your credit. This is required to authenticate your request. And the last one is additional tips. Temporary lift. If you are applying for credit, specify the period for which you want to freeze lifted. Keep recorded. Make sure to keep records of your unfreeze requests and confirmation for future reference. So that's how you can unfreeze credit on TransUnion.